This is the best recipe using loaf bread. Here I'm using one loaf bag. I've removed all the edges and greased the loaf with olive oil. Place the buns on the sides and then cover the entire bottom of the pan. Once this is done, use half a sachet of tomato sauce and spread with the help of a spoon. For the stuffing, use 1 kilogram of shredded and seasoned chicken. Also add 400 grams of cream cheese, remembering that will be 2 layers of filling. Then use 200 grams in one layer and 200 grams in the other. With a spoon, spread this curd well. Once that's done, mix another layer of bread. Use the rest of the tomato sauce and the shredded chicken, but if you prefer, you can use another type of filling. Now just use the rest of the curd and spread it again. For a special touch, use 150 grams of grated mozzarella. Oregano, but oregano is optional. Now the process is simple. Just fold this part of the bread in half. Once this is done, just take it to the oven preheated to 200 degrees for 15 minutes or until golden. Guys, look how wonderful this pie is. It's amazing and delicious. There's no way to resist. Do it at your house. I'm sure that everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed. This was another little recipe here from the pool in the kitchen. That strong hug. Until the next time, and thanks for watching.